Hello guys, welcome to Finance World. As This is the part 3 of this course, that is investment banking. If anybody wants to know the content of this course, then you can go to the first video of this course, that is introduction of this course, and you can get every information there. As described in the thumbnail and title of this video, today we talk about the four main areas of investment banking, and these areas will provide you detailed description of underwriting services. So these four areas are capital markets, advisory services, trading and brokerage, and asset management. First, we will start with capital markets. Capital markets are one of the most important area of investment banking. Companies need this when they are about to go public or want to issue debt sold to the public. When a company wants to raise equity, then this process is known as ECM, which stands for Equity Capital Markets. And when a company wants to raise debt, then this process is known as DCM, which is Debt Capital Markets. First, let's see what is ECM, that is Equity Capital Markets. Going public is a very critical moment in the life of any company. The company's shares will be sold to the public investors, and they can determine who will run the business and who will sit on the board of directors. Timing plays a very crucial role in the IPO, that is initial public offering. Company must be ready in terms of size, profitability, administrative capacity, and the growth potential. So the why what is the role of investment banking in this process? The role of investment banking is to provide guidance as to when is the right time to go to public, how company can position itself to attract investors interest, to organize meetings between investors and management, and to present the investors the investment opportunity. Also, investment bankers build lists of investors intention and determine what will be the price at which the company sell its shares. And after this, their role is to stabilize the price of stock that is listed on the market. Apart from IPO, if a company already listed wants to now issue some additional shares, then yes, it is also possible. And the process is called SEO, that is Seasoned Equity Offering. It is a much easier process. Shares are already priced by the market in this process, so it has created all documents necessary to be in compliance with the finance regulations. So the role of investment banker is to finding investors who will buy the additional shares and participate in the company's capital market. So this is the whole part of the ECM, that is equity capital markets. Now we will move to the next part, that is DCM, which is now stands for debt capital markets. DCM are the second main pillar of underwriting services. Besides equity, a company could be interested in issuing debt securities called bonds. It is not different from equity offering. The main difference is that bonds can be issued by sovereign countries. Most people think that as borrowing money from a commercial bank, but that not only the single case. A company can borrow from public investors to public debt markets work efficiently. The role of investment bankers in the debt capital markets is to advise the loan terms, prepare company presentations, finding investors, and pricing the loan. On average, bonds are much easier to price as compared to equity, mainly because every company that issues a bonds had a credit rating worthiness expressed by credit rating agencies. Another form of DCM is loan syndication. Lo- Loans granted by the pool of banks. In this process, several banks get portions of the loan, and this group of the banks is known as syndicate. These loans are hybrid between bonds and commercial banking loans. So why are companies interested in loan syndication? Because of diversification, fee generation, new geographic opportunities. So that's about the um, debt capital markets. So these are the main types of equity and debt offerings in which a bank capital market division is involved. If so, if you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you have interest in finance, then subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.